What is up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this 7-port 220-watt GAN charger. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, and I think it's going to be the perfect thing for all of my devices that charge via USB. Now, as far as what you get the charger itself, and you get a power cable. And I really like that it actually has an actual cable. A lot of these GAN chargers just have like the little prongs that kind of pull out, but with this one you get the cable, so you can kind of move this around. And a lot of our connections are like on the wall, and this just makes it so you can move this close to your devices, which I definitely like. Now, taking a look at this, I mean, just look how like this thing is tiny. It's so small. That's the new GAN technology. It allows the devices to be smaller, which I really like. And one thing I like about this one is that it has this sort of surface on it that makes it easier to pick up. It's like a rougher surface. I actually really like that on here. Now, as far as our connections go, we have a total of 7 USB connections. 5 of them are type C, and then 2 are going to be type A here. Now, they are color coded, which you guys can kind of see right there. Them being color coded is great, so you know what port you're plugging into. So the 2 type C's at the top here, which are red, those are going to be 65-watt ports. The blue one right below, that's going to be a 25-watt port. The 2 other USB-Cs, which are black, those are going to be 18-watt ports. And then the 2 type A's, which are green, those are going to be 15-watt ports. So, of course, the 2 65-watt ports are going to be, for like a laptop, a MacBook, things like that. And as you go down, you can kind of pick the devices that you want to put in here. Now, this supports both Power Delivery 3.0 and Quick Charge 3.0 as well. So, something like charging a MacBook is going to take about 2.5 hours. That's fast charge, going to be really, really fast. A brand new iPhone 14 is going to be like an hour. I mean, it's going to charge everything super fast, but I really like it because it's super compact and just super, super small. And I have a wide variety of ports with a wide variety of outputs, right? Like typically when it comes to a charger like this, you would need multiple chargers to get that 220 watts of total output. But with this, we can charge, 2 laptops at the same time. We can do an iPad, we can do multiple phones, we can do, portable battery chargers. This is going to be awesome. And like I said, it's super small, so you can easily throw it in a bag, a backpack. If you're traveling, this is easily going to go into your luggage, and you won't have to fight over, the single outlet that you get in most hotels. You have all of these ports to charge all of your devices.